In this video, we are going to look at apps and websites that will pay you to test applications and other websites. Please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and we'll be grateful to you. So without much ado, let's get started. Number one, we will look at Test.io. Now, Test.io is a website that will pay you good amount of money. Test.io will pay you $50 for every bug that you identify. Now, basically, what these websites are doing is that they are paying you to identify errors with applications, games, and other websites. And Test.io will pay you $50 for every error that you identify. Now, even if you are not able to identify any error, no problem. Just for rating the website, give your opinion. How many stars are you giving it? What is your rating for it? They will pay you for that. So, this is a very good application or website that you can use to work from home. And you also get the opportunity to use the latest applications or websites even before they are rolled out to the public. So it is very easy to join. You just register and then you have your test. But they will first of all give you an invitation to test your application, for you to get your first application to test. So basically it is very easy, and all these people are part of the Test.io team who are testing applications. So it doesn't really matter your age or where you come from. You can definitely make money online working from home, and Test.io is one of them. So how much can you earn? Like I said earlier, you can earn up to $50 per test, and that definitely depends on how much or how many errors you are able to identify. And you can work from anywhere. It doesn't really matter your location. So you are paid once in a month through PayPal, Skrill, or bank transfer. And you actually decide your working hours with this website. You decide your working hours, and then you get, once you get invitation to test an application, then you decide, you accept, and then go ahead to test your application to make your money, and that's good. Now the next we'll be looking at is Tester Work. This is equally another good site that will pay you good amount of money to test websites and applications, and they have over 30,000 members who are currently working with them. So how does it work? It's a very easy sign up. You sign up and then you are given a website or an application to test. It could be a mobile application or a desktop application, and you are given invitation through your email that you registered with. And once you accept, you identify your bugs or errors, complete your test, and you are paid. So that is it, really easy. So let's look at this. So you earn money just for testing websites, and you gain some question and answers, QA skills and experience. Well, they are going to ask you some questions, and you are sharing your opinion there. So you test when you want, and it is equally fun. And these are equally some people who are in this community, so you can equally join the community to make some money for yourself. Testarbed is one of my favorite websites to test applications and make money. Here too, they actually pay very good amount of money, and you just test applications and you are being paid. Just share your opinion, and that is it. So why should you become? So there is fair payment, and here you earn somewhere around 20 euros or 15 pounds per test, and the working hours are very flexible, very flexible. And I mean, you are working online, so which means that you just need to get some amount of data, internet data, or if you have Wi-Fi or wireless connectivity, that is it. So you can work from anywhere. They admit members from any part of the world, and that is that. So with Testarbed. With Testarbed is another great site where you can make money, like I said earlier. And here, actually, what you are looking at is the question and answer. So they are looking at functional test. With functional test, basically, you are looking at the performance of the application. So if there's a login screen, should the user enter their password, username and password, whether it will open, and that is about functional testing. There is usability and user experience testing. So you are just giving your opinion here, and you are being paid. So that is it. I mean, in these days, it's very easy actually to make money. So there are websites, online shops, mobile applications, chatbots, assistants, etc. So many of them that you can actually make money, I mean, to be paid. So why waste time, guys? Testarbed is actually like a community. Here the members are called birds. So if you're a member of Testarbed, you are called a bird. And for every month, they show the top birds. You need to have an account to see what I am showing you now. And that is it. So this is a very great website that you can make good money from. So Loop is our next application or website that you can make money from by testing applications. So here too is very easy to start. I mean, you just need to create an account. Very easy to create your account, and you are doing usability testing here, and that is it. And then once you do that, you are being paid. Very easy to test, and the languages, it's not just in English, it's in several languages, so it doesn't really matter if you speak English, French, Hindi, Arabic, etc. It doesn't matter. You can really join this website and make money. And before I forget, all these websites I have spoken about, they have video tutorials. They have both text and video tutorials for you to actually learn how to go about your testing. And they need people, they need members. So I mean, you can just sign up. So we have Userbrain. That is one of the websites that you can make money from. So how does it work? With Userbrain, they have a Chrome extension, and you can test. Usually their tests last for just about 5 to 15 minutes, and this one you need to talk as you do your testing. So you are just giving them your opinion about the website or application, and that can last between 5 to 15 minutes, and you are paid $3 instantly. Now, but you can withdraw the money on weekly basis. So you need a voice recorder, or let me say a screen recorder. Yes, you need a screen recorder, that will actually do that for you. So you are paid about $3. This video here is actually some tutorials on what is expected of you. It's a very easy thing that you can do if only you know how to use the internet, and I believe the fact that you are watching this video means that you can do it. Number 6 is Userlytics. Userlytics. So that is number 6. The safe app that you can use to make money working from home, and very easy to sign up. You are interacting with website applications or mobile apps, and you will be paid between $5, $10, $15 or $20, and even as much as $90, depending on the time required or the amount of work required. So it's very easy to join, and you'll be invited, and they equally accept members from any part of the world. So it doesn't really matter. You just need to specify your gadget specifications, whether you are using a computer, a PC or Mac, or you are using a mobile phone, and the mobile phone to just indicate its specifications, and you are good to go. So they have an application for you to download that will record. Now let's look at testing time. Change your world, one short test at a time. This is another beautiful site, and here actually you can do some live testing through Skype, and they pay 50 euros per hour. That's about $60–70, and that is good money for you to work from home. So sign up process is very easy. Then you accept the job, you complete it, and you are being paid. And sometimes they actually have to go through the work and accept it, and once your work is accepted, then you are paid. It's very easy. So some of the work tests can last for 30 to 90 minutes, and the good thing is that the longer the test, the more you are paid. User testing. So this website will pay you as much as $60 per test. You can imagine $60 per test. So, and it's very easy. Just visit the website or an app, complete the tasks, speak your thoughts, whatever that comes to your mind, what you think about it, just say it, and you are paid. And that is it. So it's very easy. This video here, it gives you some tutorials. So about 20 minutes, then you'll be paid about $10 to $50. Just talk whatever you think about the website, whether it's good or not. And I mean, you can imagine these great websites, the New York Times, Lifehacker, so Lifehacker, and including the Wall Street Journals and others, have all given great reviews about this website. So it's definitely a site to be trusted, guys. They have more than 3 million tests that are taken, and like I said, you can actually join from any part of the world, whether you are from Africa, the Middle East, India, etc. Wherever you are from, you can join this website and make some money. So number 9 is Respondent. Equally very easy. Just create an account, then you'll be given some tasks to do. Once you participate, you are paid, and that is it. And here you are paid some amount of money. I think it's about the minimum is $5. Once they review your work and it is okay, then you are sure you get some money. And with Respondent, you can equally refer your friends and make some commission. So the next is Enroll, and it also just works like the others, and they are paying through PayPal, and you can equally refer your friends to make some money. We also have UTest. Besides, I'm going to leave all these links so that you can join. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. The last one is